Hello and welcome to the Children's Care, Play, Learning and Development course. My name is Lindsay Miller and I teach the course at Ysgol Bryn Tawr. If you are considering a career in the childcare sector or a foundation for further learning in sectors such as care, health, social care, education, early years learning and more, you are in the right place. If you are an enthusiastic, hard-working person who enjoys working with children and young people, this is the course for you. So, course structure. Students will study the Level 2 core in Year 12 and the Level 3 theory and practice in Year 13. This qualification provides you, the learners, with practice and theory upskilling to a Level 3 standard for those of you who wish to enter the early years workplace. This course is unique in that it combines theory and practice. Your usual week in school will not be like the week that you are currently used to. You will be required to do 2, possibly 3 days in school with myself to do the theory work. The remainder of your week will be carried out in a work placement setting of your choosing. I will come back to this later on in the presentation. This qualification is the equivalent to 2 A-levels, and as you can see on the grid at the bottom of the screen, the grades are noted with the corresponding UCAS points. So, what will we be studying? As you can see on the screen, in Year 12, these are a couple of themes that we will be covering. Year 12 is also the opportunity for you to settle into your work placement. It is an opportunity for you to develop your self-confidence, your understanding and your knowledge of the subject. You will be working alongside your colleagues in your work placement, and we will be working closely together in class for you to develop throughout the year. In class, we will be looking at the principles and values that are needed to work in the early years sector. We will be looking at how we maintain health and well-being in our learners. We will be looking at the professional practice and health and safety. On to Year 13, we will see an improvement in our work. You would have had a whole year's experience in your work placement setting and with myself in class, so we will see a deeper understanding and a more mature approach to your work. This is reflected in the units that we will be studying. We will be researching and looking into serious and sensitive topics such as safeguarding children. We will be looking at a range of professionals in the sector and looking at the principles and values needed to be able to work effectively in the sector. We will also be looking at and investigating the current issues that are facing our children and young people in Wales today. So how will you be assessed? Throughout the course, you will be assessed in many different ways. In Year 12, you will be required to carry out 3 internal case studies. The preparation and the case study itself will be presented in class. In Year 12, you will also be required to do an external multi-choice question paper, which we will practice beforehand in class, and you will also be required to sit an external exam. As we progress to Year 13, you will be required to sit externally set and marked extended investigations. The preparation and learning will be carried out in class, and you will have flexibility to decide what it is you would like to research and present your investigation on. Throughout the 2 years, we will be collecting evidence from in class and on your work placement to load onto your e-portfolio. You will also be assessed through observations, and you will also be assessed in class and in work placement through professional discussions, which will be recorded and loaded onto your e-portfolio. The practice element of this course then. As I stated at the start, some of your week will be carried out in a work placement setting. You will get to decide where you would like to go. You will need to make contact with the setting and to arrange when you are able to attend. You will be required to complete a minimum of 700 hours throughout the first year. This has to be achieved in order to pass the qualification. An external assessor will come out and visit the placement and observe you working with the children and young people. But don't panic, we will be planning and preparing for these visits in class before the external assessor comes out. As part of the practice, you will also need to complete some units. There are a few on the screen here. We will not be doing them all. Once you have decided on your work placement, we will pick the units that naturally support your work placement and carry out those. Thank you very much for coming to listen to the presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me on millerl54@hubcymru.net. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.